Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video I will explain how to program a Kia Sorento key fob. It's important to understand that for many Kia Sorento models, especially newer ones, professional programming is the only reliable method to link a brand new key fob to your vehicle. This process typically requires specialized tools and expertise found at dealerships or certified automotive locksmiths. You might wonder why professional service is often essential. Modern Kia vehicles incorporate advanced security systems designed to prevent unauthorized key fob programming. These systems require specialized diagnostic equipment to access the vehicle's immobilizer and security modules. Furthermore, a unique security PIN code, specific to your vehicle, is frequently needed to successfully complete the programming sequence, ensuring your car's safety. When you visit a professional, the process typically involves a few key steps. First, a technician connects a specialized computer to your vehicle's diagnostic port. They then input your vehicle's unique security code, often a 6-digit number, to initiate the programming sequence. Finally, the new key fob is registered and synchronized with your car's electronic system, allowing it to communicate properly. Regarding costs, professional key fob programming typically ranges from $100 to $300, depending on your location and the specific service. Before seeking professional help, always verify your key fob battery is fresh. A weak battery can cause issues. For existing fobs experiencing minor problems, a simple reset procedure, often involving ignition cycles and button presses, might resolve functionality without needing full reprogramming.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.